ASUS ScreenPad Plus is a secondary display on your laptop that makes multitasking incredibly easy. ASUS Control Panel is an exclusive tool that's included with our ScreenPad Plus products. It gives you precise and intuitive control over your main screen apps, including creative apps like Photoshop. With Control Panel, you can easily change brush size, change saturation, adjust layer opacity, and much more. Control Panel currently works with Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. It's also fully customizable, and we're working with software developers to introduce more compatible apps. In this video, we'll guide you through customizing Control Panel to work with Photoshop, to show you how it could level up your creative workflow. First, tap to open the ScreenPad Plus launcher. You'll only see the Control Panel setting app if the latest ScreenXpert 2 software is installed. Older ScreenPad Plus laptops are upgradable to the new version. Tap the app icon to open the settings page. Next, make sure that Control Panel function is turned on. Use the drop-down box to pick the app you want to use with Control Panel, then switch the toggle on. This will make sure that your personal Control Panel layout opens every time you launch Photoshop or your selected app. You'll see a default layout, but you can tap each component and remove it by tapping the X icon at the top right. Now you can start adding your own favorite components by tapping the blank area at the right of the screen. There are 4 control types: dial, button, slider, and scroll, each with their own way to help you smooth your workflow. Once you've completed editing your own Control Panel layout for your chosen app, tap Apply. Close the settings page, then open your creative app. Control Panel will immediately pop up on the secondary screen. If you assign a button as a hotkey, you can quickly switch between tools, such as Crop Tool, Clone Stamp Tool, and more. You can add a dial to adjust values with an unlimited range, such as zoom in and out, or to cycle between existing layers. Sliders allow you to adjust a value between 0 and 100%, such as layer opacity or brush hardness. A scroll control lets you make nudge adjustments to precise details. Enjoy the improved productivity and let your creativity flow. Get your hands on ASUS Control Panel today.